Happy morning, everyone. Today we are going to see unsolved problems of chapter electrostatics. These unsolved problems are given page number 206 in your textbook. Let us see first problem. Three equal charges of 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb respectively, each located at the corners of a right angle triangle whose sides are 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Charges are same. Q1 is equal to the Q2 is equal to the Q3 is equal to the 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Okay, and they are located at right angle triangle. Let us draw the diagram related to this problem. This is right angle triangle. So this is point A, B and C. At point A, charge is 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. At B, it is again 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. At C, it is 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Okay. Now, sides are, AB sides is 15 centimeter. It is BC is 20 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now, find the force exerted on the charge located at 90-degree angle. We have to find out the force exerted on the charge located at 90-degree angle, means this is the 90-degree angle. Okay, means we have to find out the force at point B. Okay, we have to find out the force at point B because it is at the 90-degree angle. Therefore, force at point B is due to the A as well as due to the C. Okay, therefore, force on B due to the A is say F1, okay, and force on B due to the C, this is say at a F2. Therefore, we have to calculate F1 and F2 separately, okay, and then we calculate the net force. According to the Pythagoras theorem, F square is equal to the F1 square plus F2 square. Okay, let us solve first F1. Then what is the F1? F1 is the force on B due to the A. Then use the formula. Force between the two charges is given by the Coulomb's law. Use the formula Coulomb's law. Therefore, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R square. Therefore, second step is our substitution. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9. You must know this value because pi is 3.14, epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. If you put this substitution, then you get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into Q1 10 raised to minus 7. This is 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, it becomes 10 raised to minus 14 upon R square. R square is 15 centimeter. Therefore, 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square. Okay. Therefore, F1 is equal to the 9 into 10 raised to minus 5 upon 15 square is 225 into 10 raised to minus 4. Therefore, F1 is 9 upon 225 is 0.04 into 10 raised to minus 1. Therefore, F1 is equal to the 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. This is the force exerted on B due to the A. Now we calculate F2. What is the F2? Force exerted on B due to the C. Therefore, F2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R square. Therefore, F2 is equal to, again 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q1 Q2 is again 10 raised to minus 14. What is R square? Here is distance is 20 centimeter. Convert it into meter. Therefore, 20 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square. Okay. Therefore, F2 is equal to the 9 into 10 raised to minus 5. This is the value of numerator. Then denominator, square of 20 is 400 into 10 raised to minus 4. Therefore, F2 is equal to the, this becomes 0.0225 into 10 raised to minus 1. 9 upon 400 is 0.0225. Okay, and this is 10 raised to minus 1. Therefore, F2 is equal to the 2.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. Okay, म्हणजे 10 raised to minus 3 च्या पॉवरमध्ये आपण दोन्हीही व्हॅल्यूज F1 and F2 we write this. Okay, now net force acting on B. Therefore, use the Pythagoras theorem. F square is equal to the F1 square plus F2 square. Therefore, F is equal to the under root of F1 square plus F2 square. Therefore, F is equal to the under root of F1 square is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 bracket square plus F2 square 2.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 bracket square. Okay, असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. Write this in this way. 2.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 bracket square. Therefore, F is equal to the, say this, 4 square is 16 plus 2.25 square is 5.06. Okay, into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, now next F is equal to the, this 16 plus 5.06 is 21.0625 into 10 raised to minus 6. Therefore, F is equal to the under root of 21.0625 into 10 raised to minus 3. Under root of 10 raised to minus 6 is 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, F is equal to the under root of 21.06 is 4.58 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. See this value in your log table. ओके, स्क्वेअर रूटचा जो कॉलम असतो त्याच्यामध्ये ही व्हॅल्यू शोधायची आणि करस्पॉन्डिंग तुम्हाला लेफ्ट हँड साईडला काय मिळणार आहे 4.58 ही मिळणार आहे. ओके, आणि देअरफॉर इन दिस वे यू कॅन इझिली फाइंड आउट द स्क्वेअर रूट फ्रॉम युअर लॉग टेबल बुक. देअरफॉर एफ इज इक्वल टू द 4.58 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. This is the total force exerted on the charge which is at the B. Okay, and which is at the 90-degree angle. Okay, now next problem. It is simple one. Calculate the electric field due to a charge of -8 into 10 raised to -8 coulomb at a distance of 5 centimeter from it. Now solution. Here we have to calculate the electric field or electric intensity. If the electric field is represented in vector quantity, then it is called as a electric intensity. Okay. Therefore, we have to find out the value of E here. Due to a charge of Q is given -8 into 10 raised to -8 coulomb. Therefore, Q is equal to the -8 into 10 raised to -8 coulomb. At a distance of, therefore, R is equal to the 5 centimeter. Convert it into meter. Therefore, 5 into 10 raised to -2 meter. Okay. Therefore, we have to calculate the E. Then, what is the electric intensity due to a point charge? E is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square. E is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square. Okay, because electric intensity is defined as a F upon Q, and then we get the electric intensity due to a point charge is equal to this. Therefore, E is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into Q -8 into 10 raised to -8 upon R square 5 into 10 raised to -2 bracket square. Put the substitution. Therefore, E is equal to 9 into 8 is -72 into 10 raised to 1. Okay. Upon 5 square is 25 into 10 raised to -4. Okay. Therefore, E is equal to the -72 upon 25 into 10 raised to, this is 1 and this is +4. Therefore, it becomes +5. Therefore, E is equal to the -2.88 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. This is the value of electric intensity or electric field due to a charge of -8 into 10 raised to -8 coulomb at a distance of 5 centimeter. Okay. This is the straightforward and simple problems. Okay. Let us stop here.